my name is Nicoya. I'm the creator and founder of Silky, a luxury hair care company, and I'm here today to do a review on Milano's wig grip cap. So at the end of this video, you will know whether or not this wig grip cap is worth your coins, okay? Is it worth the investment? Is it better than the wig grip that Milano made? And using a stocking cap, does it work better? Is it better to just go ahead and combine them into one? So now, without further ado, let's go ahead and get into it. So if you're not familiar with Milano, a few years ago, been many years now, I don't know exactly when, but it's been a long time now, they came out with the wig grip. And what's great about this wig grip is that you place it around your hairline, which is a very, very fragile and delicate area, especially when you're wearing wigs, because all the gluing and caps and gel over time can really lead to traction alopecia and balding, and at the very least thinning of the edges. So this product they created is really great because it protects that, because all you have to do is put the combs underneath it, and it also helps hold the wig in place. Now, I highly recommend using a wig grip with your wigs. Now, I have longer hair and a thicker head, so a lot of times when I wear my wig grip, I also have to wear a stocking cap to help hold that in. But Milano is so genius, they came up with combining the two into one and turning it into this wig grip cap. So I ordered mine, and I wanted to see, you know, if it really works better. Is it better to just have the two-in-one or have them separately? So we're gonna go ahead and get into me putting it on, trying it out. So let's get into it. So this is the wig grip. So I'm gonna go ahead and take the stocking cap off. We're gonna go ahead and open up this wig grip, put her on, and we will see. So it says the all-in-one lace wig grip plus wig cap is comfort. It prevents headaches by eliminating tension. It's lightweight, a unique blend of thin absorbent fibers, makes the grip cap lightweight yet durable. It's a premium grade material, strong and soft, moisture absorbent material, soft barrier, protects scalp and edges, and the adjustable design offers an easy one fit. So open it up, it shows you some of their other products that they have. All right, so it opens up and it works a lot like the just single wig grip. It has this grip in the back. You just pull it open, and then the cap does feel like it has some stretch to it, and then you just, I guess, clasp that back, and then you have this parting area in the front. So like if you're wearing, you know, your wig part to whatever direction, this helps to blend in with the lace. So putting the grip on, you guys, it is really snug, which I like, because like I said, that stocking cap really holds your hair down when you have longer, thicker hair, and I feel like this cap does. Now, if you have a bigger head, I have about a medium size, so if you have a bigger head, it might be kind of snug, but I guess you could release it and put the strap back, you know, further to stretch it out. But so far, so good. So I'm gonna go ahead and put my wig on, and we'll see how that feels. Just putting the combs underneath the grip. So far, you guys, it's pretty decent. It does feel more snug, I'm not gonna lie. It does right now, and maybe it'll stretch out with more time, but it does feel right now more snug than when I wear my regular wig cap and wig grip. But I like that you can do the two steps in one. All right, so now let's do the pull test. It is moving, but it's not sliding super bad, so it's holding it. It's pretty good. Like, you're not gonna just snatch it off so easily. which is good, right? Because, you know, when you're out doing what you need to do, you don't want to be too worried about it sliding and moving that much, and she definitely is not. All right, let's do the shake test. All right, my hair is all over my face, but my wig is still in place. All right, now let's go ahead and do a hair flip test. You guys, she is standing up to all the tests. All right, so let's go ahead and take her outside in the daylight and see what she's giving in the daylight. So I wanted to come out in the sun in the daylight and see how the grip looks. And you guys, it looks pretty good in the day. Can't really tell any difference. I didn't put any makeup in the part or anything, but you know, it's some serious heat going on outside right now, but it's not too bad. It's definitely doable, and she is holding her in place, as you can see. All right, so the wig grip cap has passed all the tests, so let's go ahead and get into my final thoughts, pros and cons. For the pros, I think this is great that you have something that you usually do in 2 steps in only 1 step. I think this concept is genius. It is definitely working and doing what it came to do. Is definitely keeping my braids and my hair down, keeping it flat and snug, and it's also, the combs were easy to put underneath the band, so I'm not having to worry about it digging into my hairline. It definitely does deliver on the promises that it says that it does. For the cons, really my only concern is for people who have longer and thicker hair, and also people who have bigger heads. I feel like this cap didn't really have a lot of stretch, which is a good thing. Now, you probably can take the elastic band and make it bigger, but I don't know how comfortable it would be. I'm gonna be honest, because it is very snug right now, and it's not snug to the point to where like I have like a headache or anything, because I can definitely loosen it, but I can see if you had thicker, longer hair or a bigger head, how it could be uncomfortable, and how the more traditional just wig grip and stocking cap might be a little bit more comfortable. So I don't know how big head friendly it is really my only con. But if you have an average head, I definitely think this is worth investing in. I definitely think this is worth investing in. So the link, if you want to get you one of these wig grip caps, will be down in the description box. Make sure you check it out. So those are my final thoughts on the wig grip cap. Even if you don't think you can wear a cap, you definitely should invest in at least a wig grip, especially if you wear wigs all the time, because over time, putting those combs, sewing those wigs down, gluing those wigs down can cause irreversible damage to your hair, and we want to stay away from traction alopecia. And I have a video about how to avoid traction alopecia when wearing wigs, so I will put that link down below, as well as I did a review on the original wig grip, just the wig grip. And if you feel like the cap might be too tight for you, then go ahead and check that video out as well. And if you've made it this far in the video and you haven't hit the subscribe button yet, what are you waiting on? Go ahead and hit that button. Become a Silky chick. We are a great family here, and we love anything that has to do with wigs, hair tips, hair products, hair care. This is your channel, so hit that button. And if you're watching over on Facebook, hey boo, you know I love you guys over on the Facebook too. As always, I want to say thank you so much for watching. Remember, better care is better wear, and I hope to see you in the next one.